At Jax Outdoor Solutions, we were excited to be part of the next chapter at Whitey's Fish Camp, bringing landscape upgrades to one of Northeast Florida's most iconic waterfront destinations. While the new ownership team focused on a full interior refresh and a new roof for the restaurant, our team enhanced the outdoor experience with artificial turf, fresh plantings, and updated fencing. The new turf installation connects the tiki bar, boat slips, and boat ramp, creating a cleaner, more polished path for guests moving between land and water. In a coastal environment like this, right along the creek feeding into the St. Johns River, artificial turf offers clear advantages over natural grass. It holds up to heavy foot traffic, resists wear from sand and salt exposure, eliminates muddy conditions after rain or tidal fluctuations, and significantly reduces maintenance and irrigation needs. The result is a consistently clean, durable surface that performs year-round without the patchiness and upkeep challenges of traditional turf. Whether it's enhancing usability, improving aesthetics, or solving drainage and wear issues, our turf systems are built for the unique demands of Northeast Florida coastal living.